Metal swing design ideas, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. Metal swing design ideas offer a wide range of possibilities for homeowners looking to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to their outdoor spaces. From modern and sleek to rustic and charming, metal swings can be customized to fit various styles and themes. Some popular metal swing design ideas include types of metal swings. Hanging swings. Suspended from a sturdy frame or a tree branch, hanging swings offer a sense of freedom and relaxation. They can be made from a variety of metals, including wrought iron, steel, or aluminum. Porch swings. A classic design element for porches and verandas, porch swings provide a cozy spot to relax and enjoy the outdoors. They can be crafted from metal frames with comfortable cushions and pillows. Garden swings. Perfect for gardens or backyards, garden swings offer a peaceful retreat amidst nature. They can be designed with intricate metalwork, such as filigree or scrollwork, to add visual interest. Design elements. Metalwork. Metal swings can feature intricate metalwork, such as filigree, scrollwork, or ornate details, to add visual interest and elegance. Cushions and pillows. Comfortable cushions and pillows can be added to metal swings to provide a cozy and inviting spot to relax. Frames. Metal swing frames can be designed in various shapes and sizes to fit different spaces and styles. They can be made from a variety of metals, including wrought iron, steel, or aluminum. Finishes. Metal swings can be finished in various colors and textures to match the surrounding decor. Popular finishes include powder coating, galvanizing, or painting. Benefits. Durability. Metal swings are durable and long-lasting, making them a practical choice for outdoor spaces. Low maintenance. Metal swings require minimal maintenance, as they can withstand various weather conditions and are easy to clean. Versatility. Metal swings can be designed to fit various styles and themes, from modern to traditional. By incorporating metal swing design ideas into your outdoor space, you can create a beautiful and functional area that invites relaxation and enjoyment. Whether you're looking for a modern and sleek design or a rustic and charming look, metal swings offer a wide range of possibilities to suit your needs and preferences. Dear friends, I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel. Remember to share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned for next video. See you soon.